Dear listener, greetings from Khan International Private Limited. We are glad to invite you to a one-of-its-kind virtual event about business opportunities with Khan International Private Limited that you can attend from the comforts of your home or offices. The events will be held on the 23rd and 24th of October, Saturday and Sunday from 10:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. on both days. In these events, we are going to talk about how we can help you in setting up or upgrading your existing study abroad business and how to take it to the next level. How to register for this event? Along with this video in your email inbox and WhatsApp message, you must have received a registration link. By clicking on the link, you will be asked a few basic details like your name, city, email ID, company name and other contact details. Our representatives will then get in touch with you and issue you a gate pass. By clicking on the URL mentioned here and entering the gate pass, you will be given access to the first of its kind virtual event by Khan International Private Limited in the study abroad industry. Who should attend this virtual event? Existing study abroad consultants who wish to upgrade their company by increasing the number of students that you train for IELTS, GRE, SAT, PT and other examinations, thereby increasing your visa business. Startups who have just ventured into this industry and are now looking forward to having some form of handholding from one of the experienced companies in India to help you bypass a lot of struggles that go into building a company and running a successful business. Investors who are looking to invest or planning to invest in one of the lucrative industries of India can also take help from us in establishing and running their business. Schools and colleges who wish to open a global education or study abroad department within their premises but are not interested in training and deploying manpower of their own. Coaching centers and computer centers who until now have been solely dependent on the revenue generated by training students can also now diversify into the field of study abroad by having their own college admission and visa business. What can you expect from these events? In these events, representatives of Khan International Private Limited will be getting in touch with you in two ways. First, the webinars. Top industry experts will be conducting webinars covering different aspects of this industry and how to run and manage your business successfully. We will be talking about the role of technology and technological tools like the CRM, application portal and e-learning portal that can help you upgrade your business and grow exponentially year on year. We will also talk about the importance of academy for a study abroad consultant and how establishing and running an academy successfully can help you increase your business year on year. The second way in which our representatives will get in touch with you will be through booths. There will be different booths in this event on topics like study in Canada, study in USA, study in UK, how to become our sub-agent, how to become a franchise, how to become a preferred partner, and how to avail different category of services and products that are on offer by Khan International Private Limited. Our experts across the booth will get in touch with you over video calls, audio calls or chat messages and will wish to schedule a one-to-one meetings with you post the event. You can interact with our experts and get the basic information about the areas of your doubts. You can ask them about the investments that go into running this business, about the training and deployment of manpower that is required to run this business, about the different technological tools and how to implement them in your premises for running a successful business. We will be more than happy to help you establish and run your businesses successfully and work towards a collaborative growth model. So if you are looking forward to establishing your new business or upgrading your existing business in the study abroad industry, we invite you on the 23rd and 24th of October from 10:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and get a chance to interact with the top-notch industry experts who can help you out with every aspect of your business. See you there.